Welcome to Electrical Principle. My name is Wamkoya S. Bravi. Today we are going to talk about batteries and alternative energy. So we can come to introduction to batteries. A battery is a device that converts chemical energy to electricity. If an appliance is placed between its terminals, the current generated will power the device. Batteries are indispensable item for many electronic devices and are essential for devices that require power when no main power is available. For example, without the battery, there will be no mobile phones or laptop computers. So we can talk about where the batteries are used. They are used in laptops, in cameras, in mobile phones, in cars and other appliances. Batteries tend to be split into two categories: primary, which are not recharged, and secondary, which are recharged. So we can also talk about the EMF and the internal resistance of a cell. The electromotive force, which is the EMF of a cell, is the potential difference between its terminals when it is not connected to a load, i.e. the cell is on no load. The EMF of a cell is measured using high resistance voltmeter connected in parallel with the cell. The voltmeter must have a high resistance, otherwise it will pass current and the cell will not be on no load. For example, if the resistance of a cell is 1 ohm and that of a voltmeter is 1 megaohm, then the equivalent resistance of a circuit is 1 megaohm added by the 1 ohm, i.e. approximately 1 ohm. Hence, no current flows and the cell is not loaded. So, it's not loaded because voltage is equals the EMF, which is also the IR. IR, which means the current multiplied by the resistance. Then the internal resistance may be calculated from resistance, which is electromotive force minus the voltage, we divide by the current. Thank you for listening to me. Up to there, we may end our topic. Good day.